Let's see the story in detail. So first I will tell you the topic about that how is the life without the sun. Actually students, all summer in a day it is a story which is about a group of school children who live on the planet Venus with their families. They are 9 years old and they are eagerly waiting a momentous occasion. After 7 years of continuous rain, the scientists on Venus they have predicted that the sun will come out for a brief period of time. The children they have seen the sun once in their life, otherwise they have not seen sun ever, and that is also when they were about 1.5 or 2 years. Okay, the and they don't remember how it looks or how they feel in a sunny day. To prepare for the sunny day, they have read about sun and completed classroom activities also on time. They have also written a poem about the sun because sun is something a very new thing for them. All the children have done this except one named Margaret. Margaret was a pale, thin, a very small girl. She's very other than the other children, and these other children they resent for various reasons to that girl Margaret. That girl Margaret, she used to live in Ohio. She was from Ohio and she had seen sun when she was 5 years old. She still has many memories of the sun, and the sun continues to come and fascinate her. And on the other hand, Margaret does not like to participate in any of the classroom activities which does not include the sun. The activities which include the sun, she used to participate in such kind of activities only. In fact, she has been in a depressed state of mind on Venus planet. It was heard that her parents were planning to take her away from the underground colony or on Venus, and they want to send her back on the earth. Then Margaret, who was the girl of 5 years, she looks onto the window every time and she used to waiting silently for the sun to stop the rain and let the sun come out. The other children begin to dislike her and taunt her. One of the boys also jokes with her. He says that it was all a joke, wasn't it? Means they are understanding, or they are thinking that there is no sun. She is just joking. Nothing happening today. Suddenly, the children decided to hide Margaret in a close while their teacher is gone. Then all the children they hide the girl inside a room. Margaret resists, but it is overpowered and she is locked in a fairway closes. Afterwards, the teacher returns and they all go to the tunnel exit. As she thinks everyone is present and accounted for from her class. Then the moment later, the rain stopped. Finally, the moment came when the rain stopped over here, and it is unlikely all the children of the class they leave for the tunnel and run around and enjoy the sun. It is unlikely anything for them they could ever imagine in their life. They are extremely around and enjoying the sun. They all were happy and they said it's better than the sun lamps. Isn't isn't it? Means they all are discussing in each other that it is better to live in the sun lamps, but this natural sun is very good. As they run around the jungle of Venus, the teacher tells them, now don't go too far because you have only 2 hours. Only 2 hours means the sun has came here only for 2 hours. You wouldn't want to get caught out. But they were running and turning their faces up towards the sky, and they are feeling the sun on their cheeks like as warm iron. They were taking off their jackets and letting the sun burn their arms and their faces.